Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create AI music video. Are you ready? So let's get started. In the previous videos, we learned how to create music with this AI website, as you can see, MusicCreator.ai. And here we can do many things. We can generate music AI, we can generate AI's lyric, vocal remover, and so on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI music video. Click here, and here you should upload your file, whatever you want. So I'm going to upload my audio, click save. So here, display mode, you should choose either single mode or multiple image, as up to you. And photo style, here you should choose the photo style, for example, this one or this one or this one. So I'm going to choose one of them. And the video size, you can use this one or this one. I'm going to choose this one. And click on generate music video AI. As you can see, once you clicked on that, it will generate the music. As you can see, it is generating. And I'll pause the video and until it's finished. Okay. The music is ready now, as you can see this one. So let's click on that. As you can see,